Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm attempting to transform my 2 sofas and dinette in my caravan with some SHEIN sofa seat covers. I hope you find it useful. Enjoy! So this is the sofas at the moment. They have got the Wilko's £4 fleecy throws underneath, and then I've also popped on this Marks and Spencer's fleecy throw as well. It's simply because you don't see then the join of the two fleecy covers, and there's obviously a gap there which really annoys me. So I'm going to show you then what the seat covers are like without the throws. So this is the lovely original seating pattern. Now I know it's absolutely fine, it's quite a neutral colour. Unfortunately it's just not my taste, and so we're going to see what they look like now with the SHEIN covers on. Now I've ordered 2 3-seater covers for the long part of the sofa, and because the top part, I need a 3-seater one for the length, but obviously it's not as wide, so there's quite a lot of excess material. So what I've done is really try to pull it all the way over and then like tuck it and make it really tight. So hopefully it'll give that tight finish to it. Now I wasn't too sure whether to do the buttons on the sofas, as they do look quite nice plain. However, I gave it a go and I must admit it looks even better, and it looks almost like they were professionally upholstered. Now the hardest button to do was this one in the corner, and I don't even touch it now because I think it will just ping off. It's literally taken me about half an hour to get that button on, but all the other buttons were super easy. So I think because I'm a little bit annoyed about how it looks, it doesn't look as good, I don't think, as these ones. I'm just going to put a cushion there, and no one will ever know that it's there, and hopefully it won't ping off. Now then, for the buttons, all I've done is felt for the button, pulled it up, and then use these clear like bubble bands, again from SHEIN, and they were only like £1. It is really fiddly to try and pull and get it then around it, but it does give it a really nice finish as well. So this is the dinette as it currently is with the throws on, and again I am constantly having to tuck them in to make them look a bit more smarter looking. So let's see what the SHEIN covers look like on these. And this is the finished dinette ones, which I'm really pleased about. The 2-seater are on the base of the seat, and they fitted really well, and then I've got a 1-seater for the top of each of them. So that's a 1-seater and that's a 2-seater. So really pleased with them. So I know they're not hugely different in style to the throws that I had on the sofas and dinette before, but I do think they make such a big difference, and I won't have to be faffing tucking them in. So I'm really pleased with them. And you can see up close that herringbone pattern, which I think just makes it look like they've been reupholstered, but obviously they haven't. So for the 2 3-seater for the base, and I had 2 3-seaters for the top, I had a 1-seater for that bottom bit there and there, another 1-seater for the top cushion there, and another 1-seater for the top cushion there, and then a 2-seater for the base, 1-seater for the top, another 2-seater, and a 1-seater for the top. It should have been £136, but they with lots of discounts, I think if you were spending over 110, you got so much off, and so we ended up getting all the covers with the like loom bands to do the buttons for £96. Now they do have much cheaper ones on there, but I just really liked this herringbone. I just think it looks really good quality, and I'm really impressed. And if I did need to take them off and put them in the wash, then I can, although I don't think my fingers could take it anymore, as they are red raw from doing them buttons. But I know that I can take them off and put them in the wash and pop them back on again. So yeah, I'm really pleased with my SHEIN covers.